In need of some budget-friendly holiday decor? Check out your local flea markets, vendors, peddlers malls, thrift stores, and find some really cool finds like the Santa Claus and reindeer and really neat Merry Christmas sign. And this Santa Claus. And this North Pole sign. And this giant Santa Claus. And this little snowman. And this beautiful ceramic Christmas tree. And these toy soldiers. And this candle. And an aluminum Christmas tree. This was one of our favorite finds because it was in pristine condition, in the original box and in the original sleeves. And this cute Christmas tree. It's taken us several years to collect all these beautiful vintage Christmas finds, and I hope that you can get a little bit of inspiration from this and find some really cool things yourself. Happy holidays from the Bradens.